Hey guys, welcome to another ServerMiner plugin tutorial. I'm your host LTJim007 and today we look at the GiftBoxes plugin. So this is a really awesome plugin which allows you to gain items with various chances from these gift boxes that have cool animations. So by default there are two, but hopefully the developer will add more in the future, and you can also customize your own if you're that way inclined. If we do /giftbox and then give, we have the choice of a few that I've created. So let's go ahead and grab Pricey, Test and Tough Golem. So by default there is only the Tough Golem one, but I have created these two. You can see you can customize the name and the lore as well. And then what we can do is place one down and see what it's going to give us. So with the golem, it's really cool. There's a very nice animation. He reaches up and gives us a whole stack of diamonds, which is very kind of him. And then over here we have the My Box, which should give us an apple. And then this diamond one, there should be a chance to get coal, diamonds and emeralds. Let's see what we get. Lots of coal. Do we get an emerald? No, we did not. So that is an example of what you can do with this plugin. It's very simple, but it is really nice with the animations. Let's show you how to create one of these. So if you do /giftbox create followed by a name, this one's going to be called box. And then it brings us into this GUI where we can then change the chance. So left click to change it by 1% and right click by 0.1%. So let's go ahead and bring these down all the way to about 33%. So we have a delete item button at the bottom. You can also change the color. But if we go back, you can see they all have 33% chance to acquire. And now we can go ahead and test that out. So giftbox give, and it's going to be box. Here it is. Now by default it's going to look like this, but we can obviously edit that in a second, and let's throw just a few down and see what range of items we are going to get given. So iron, diamond, gold, diamond, iron. So a little bit of everything. That makes sense with the equal percentages we gave. Now let's head over to the config file and see what we can change in there. So here we are in the config file. You can see there's a few folders. So animations has the default one and tough one. But if we go back and go into boxes, this is where we can edit what they look like. So if we go into box, the one we just created, we can change the material to maybe a chest and the lore. And I've just changed the lore to something random. And then up at the top, we can also change the name. And then the skin is normal instead of rare or epic. So maybe we could change this to something different. And then if we go into the items folder and then select box again, this is going to list all of the items that you could win and then the chance and the color. So what we just set in the GUI, you could also change in there. Back in game now, if we do the giftbox reload command, and then if we give ourselves the box again, so you can see we've changed the icon, the name and the lore. And if we pop these down, they all have a different skin. So this is the rarest skin, and we are still going to get the same items out of them. It's just a little more customized. Here we are on the spigot page. You can see it's updated from 1.19 to 1.21. If we scroll down, there is some handy information here. But if you need a server to host it on, check out serverminer.com for the best and cheapest hosting around. That's it for me. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you next time.